Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this time we are going to unbox the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Red. Now there are two colors available, black and red. So red is a little rare to find. It's normally out of stock. So I was able to get my hands on it. Now it's for 3,990 in the Indian market. So I bought it from the OnePlus store in Bangalore, and let's go ahead and open this up, see what all do we get with this. I'll be doing my initial review in this video itself. I'll give you all the information regarding what all it can actually do. There are a lot of mixed reviews online regarding the sound quality and the buttons and all these things, so I'll be talking about that in this video itself. So if you want to know how good this is or if you should buy this, go ahead and watch the video. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. So let's take a look at what all do we get in the package. So basically you get user instruction and a safety and information warranty guide. We'll keep that aside. You get the carrying pouch, which is made of hard rubber, and there's a magnet over here which keeps the mouth closed. Then you have the earphone itself, and you have a charging cable, type C charging cable, which is small in size. Now this will come in handy for me because this is small and I can actually keep it with the earphone itself. So I normally roam around with a power bank, so I can use this and charge it anytime. Now there are a lot of features in this. We'll be talking about that later on. Now other than this, you get two extra set of earbuds and ear wings. So in total you have three of them, so small, large and medium. So whichever fits you, you can put that on. Okay, so you've seen the video. Now let's talk about the band itself. Let's take a closer look. Now on the right hand side, there's nothing on this band. Now this is a mixed style band. You would have seen a lot of around the neck earphones. All of them have different form factor. This one has a totally different form factor. Now this is discreet. It hides under your t-shirt. And it does the job very well. Now this is the first band which I can actually hide under a non-collared t-shirt also, and it does not really bulge out. It's very thin, and it takes the shape of the neck. It really takes that shape, and it does not come off like that, or it does not move left, right. Nothing happens with this. So that way is excellent band. The only problem will be this part is big, so it will protrude out when you're wearing it. So other than that, no other issues while wearing it. Now let's talk about the buttons and the placement. Now you have on the left hand side, you have one button and a LED indicator on top. Behind that, right behind that is the mic. So the mic placement has changed. Now in case if you notice all the other around the neck earphones, the mic like the Halo and all has it over here, but others have it on the remote itself. Now this remote is plain and simple, no mic on it. So this has a 3-button remote, so volume up, volume down. The middle button pairs as play, pause, answer call, reject call, all those things. Now the build quality on this is premium. I really like the build of this. The entire rubber coating on this is very nice, and it's not irritating while you're using it in the gym. Normally earphones like this, around the neck earphones like this, they grab your neck while you're in the gym, you're sweating, and then it rubs against your neck, and then it feels very irritating. But this one does not do that, so this is very good in the gym. Now the only problem I have is this does not have enough bass. It has bass, but it does not have enough bass. For at least for me in the gym, I need earphones with good bass. I normally use bass head type earphones or earphones which has good low end bass. But this one has no low end bass, is totally missing. There is no low end bass at all. You do have a little bit of bass where you can feel that there's some bass coming in, but it does not have the punch. So yes, I have been able to get the punch out of it with third party music apps. Like actually I can't name the apps. If you want, you can just comment and I'll let you know. But I have been able to get good bass out of it with third party apps, but only on Android, not on an iOS. So the earphone itself is capable of giving out bass. It's just that the driver on this is not delivering it to it. So it can be fixed with a firmware update, but it totally depends on OnePlus. What are they targeting at? Maybe they're not targeting it at a base head kind of a series earphone. They're targeting it as a earphone which is going to be more of a near to purist. It's not a purist earphone, near to purist type earphone where you can hear the vocals very nicely and the treble and stuff. Now let's talk about treble. Treble is a little high. At volume between 50 to 70 it's okay, but as soon as you go more than 70 the treble overpowers. So for me the treble is a little overpowering, about 70% volume, but the mids are excellent. Now when do I generally use this is when I am watching movies or watching podcast or listening to podcast or watching maybe Netflix or Amazon Prime videos. So this will give you crisp lyrics. Like if you're watching some movies where there's a lot of background sound and a lot of boom bam this, but you want to listen to the lyrics. Most of the earphones will focus on the bass, where the person is speaking but the background sound, the bass or the music effect or that is more. But on this the vocals will be more, the music effect and the background sound will be less. So in case you're looking for something where you want to watch movies and stuff, not really movies, like podcasts, or you want to watch Amazon Prime stuff, series, serials and stuff, this is an excellent earphone for that. And the battery life, amazing, 8 hours of battery life. I have not been able to finish the battery as yet, because as soon as you put it for charging, now it's got a special feature. If you put it for charging only with the OnePlus charger, not with regular chargers. If you have a dash charger, with the dash charger this will charge within, if you put it for charging for 10 minutes, it gives you 5 hours of music playback. So that is excellent. Like in case you forget to charge your band in the morning, you want to go to the gym and stuff, and then you forget to charge the band, put it for 10 minutes, charged, 5 hours of playback. Excellent option. You do have similar feature in other earphones too, but they do not give you this much of power. But the catch is you need to have the OnePlus Dash charger. Your regular 3.0 charger or maybe 2.0 charger will not work. You will have to have the dash charger to charge it that fast. Otherwise it does charge fast. It does take maybe that takes 10 minutes. Your regular charger might take somewhere in half an hour max to max. So it's not a big deal, but excellent power option. Another good thing I like about this earphone is that it comes with this carrying pouch and a small Type-C OnePlus themed cable. So this can do data transfer also. I have used it for data transfer on other things. So this is a data charging cable and a carrying pouch. The carrying pouch is excellent. I thought that this rubbery finish is going to stick in my pocket normally a lot, because I've had a lot of earphones which came with this kind of material pouch, and eventually after you use it for a month or so, they get sticky, and then when you put it in your pocket and take it out, it's full of lint and all that thing. But this does not do that. So excellent job with the pouch. So the add-ons are good quality add-ons. So they are not cheap, like how I will not name, but there are a lot of earphones that I've got where the earphones themselves are good, but the add-ons that you get with them are not that great. Now I can always carry this with me, so in case there's a time where I don't have juice, I don't have power, I can actually connect it to any device, any laptop or anyone else's regular charger, and then charge it. So excellent option. So one thing that I want to talk about is the feature that they have been advertising, which is this, where you disconnect this and actually you're using it and you remove it from your ears, connect it like this, and then it pauses the music on your phone. You remove it, put it back in your ears, and it plays the music back. Now that feature works from 5T and above. I've tested it on a OnePlus 5T. Now it's not a earphone feature itself. Basically it's a feature on your OnePlus 5T and above. You can go into settings, you can switch that on, like when you connect a Bluetooth speaker, automatically start playing. So that's an option which is available on your OnePlus device. Now once I activated it using this. Now whichever earphone I put, that feature is working on that. So whichever earphone, so I can try using this, I can try using any other earphone. When I disconnect and connect back, my OnePlus is automatically playing it. So it's a feature over there which is integrated with the earphone. So it's a combination. Now basically it's not pausing or playing. Basically what's happening is, as soon as you put this in, it switches off the earphone, puts it into a low power mode. Now as soon as you remove it, it switches on the earphone back again. So what happens is, it actually disconnects from your phone and connects back again. Now the good thing is, I've tested it with the 5 different phones. The connection speed is fast. So like how normally you switch on and switch off a earphone, if you're doing this one, the connection speed is very fast. So within, in my experience, within 5 seconds, it has connected back to the phone. Now this has a different kind of Bluetooth technology built into it. Now it's 4.0 whatever, but one thing I noticed about this is, this cannot connect with 2 devices. It can only connect with 1 device. But normally with all the other earphones, what I've seen is, if I'm connected to one phone and I take another phone and then try to connect to this, if it was previously paired, if I try to connect to this, then it disconnects from this phone and then connects to this one. But in the OnePlus wireless earphone, that will not happen. No matter how many devices have you paired it with before, the current device which it's running on, it will only run on that. The other ones can try taking control of it, but it will not give control unless from this phone which it's actually playing the music on, you disconnect the OnePlus, only then will it be ready to connect to another device. Now that's a common problem that I keep having, because I have a lot of earphones and a lot of phones. So sometimes what happens is, I switch on the earphone and it gets connected to one of the phones, and then I'm listening to music, and then suddenly another phone tries to connect to my Bluetooth and then takes the Bluetooth away. So I keep disconnecting, connecting, so I end up switching off most of the Bluetooth of my phones. So with this, I don't have to do that. Now this is a scenario that not everyone is going to face. I face it because I have a lot of devices. But this is something which I really liked about the OnePlus. Sometimes it's irritating that I want to connect, so I have to remove the other one and switch off. But it's actually a good feature, so that I do not have to keep on reconnecting back to my earphone. This is for people who have this problem, not everyone. So that's it for the unboxing and overview. Now I've already done the sound test and the gym test. I just have to edit them and post them, so I'll be doing that very soon. Wait for that video. I'll be doing my full review later on. I have to rough it up a little to see if it's going to break or anything is going to happen to it. I'm going to do a water test. Basically, this is not swim proof and stuff, so I cannot take it there, but I will be taking it to the steam room. And in case if it rains, but I don't think it's going to rain now, so I think it's going to be a steam room test for this. So wait for those tests. It'll be out soon. I was on vacation, so that's why past 1 month you didn't see many videos, but now you'll be seeing my videos regular again. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.